Northern Minnesota is #1 on a list we wish we weren't on. The need for more child care. It's why Governor Tim Walz made a stop in Duluth today, saying his budget proposal will help change that. Northern News Now's Kendall Jarbo explains how he plans to do it.
The stress that comes with not having access to quality child care is immense.
Between high cost and lack of space, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz says the child care crisis is reaching a breaking point. He and other child care leaders gathered at the YWCA in Duluth Wednesday, sharing just how dire the situation is.
Today in the Northland, 4,000 children do not have access to child care. And at the same time, providers, be they at home or centers, are really struggling to make ends meet.
That's why Governor Walz wants to invest a bulk of the state's $17.5 billion surplus into early child care development and education. It would come in the form of child tax credits, early learning scholarships, and staff retention efforts.
We hear from employers as well that are child care providers that they can't find the staff they need. I've had employers call me up crying, struggling, because everything they're trying isn't working.
Walz described his budget proposal as a long-term investment into Minnesota's workforce, and early childhood is the most crucial time to make a lasting impact on someone's life.
It's hard, mental, physical, so emotional, exhausting work, but we do it with smiles on our faces and with materials that we've often purchased with money from our own meager paychecks that we take home, because we know that these kids and the work that we do is the most important work that there could be.
With legislative progress being made in St. Paul, the governor is confident this child care budget wish list is now a to-do list.
So the good news is, by the end of May, we should get this thing into place. We should start tackling this, and it goes to the goal that we set for Minnesota to be the best place in the country to raise a family and to have a child.
In Duluth, Kendall Jarbo, Northern News Now.
In addition to addressing the child care shortage on the state level, the City of Duluth's Workforce Development Program is trying to launch an entry-level training course for daycare workers. For a full breakdown of the proposed budget, you can visit our website.